number analogy. Question number 9. If 73 is 292, then 81 is x. Find x. Option A 456, option B 678, option C 345, option D 567. Think once. Find out the logic in 73 to 292 and apply the same logic for 81 and x. Then you will get x value. Think once. Solution. 73 into 7 minus 3. The difference between the two digits which are in 73. 7 minus 3 how much? 4. 73 into 4, 292. Same logic we are going to apply for 81 also. In 81, what are the two digits? 8 and 1. The difference. 8 minus 1 how much? 7. 81 into 7. It will become 567. 567 is right answer.